What if the next superpower is built on invisible particles? The world is obsessed with AI, but another war has already begun. The quantum race may decide the future of power. Most people still do not understand why governments fear this technology, but the United States, China, and Europe already do. Because quantum technology may reshape civilization itself. Not just computers, but finance and military power. Artificial intelligence, communications, and global security. History shows a strange pattern. Every empire rose on top of a new technology. Britain rose with the Industrial Revolution. Steam engines and factories changed the global economy. America later rose through oil and semiconductors. Then came the internet, platforms, and digital systems. And once again, America dominated the world order. But history never stands still, and power always moves. Now the world may be entering another technological transition. Quantum technology could become the next foundation of power. Traditional computers think through zeros and ones. But quantum systems behave in fundamentally different ways. A qubit can hold multiple possibilities at once. This is why quantum computing is considered revolutionary. Some problems that overwhelm modern computers may become solvable, not slightly faster, but completely differently. And that difference could transform entire industries. Drug discovery, battery development, and logistics. Financial modeling, climate prediction, and AI systems. But the real fear is not speed alone. The real fear is power. Modern civilization runs on encrypted information. Banks, military networks, and governments. Almost everything depends on digital security. But quantum computers may eventually break encryption. If that happens, information power could collapse overnight. This is why governments are investing billions into quantum research. The future may belong not to the strongest army, but to the nation that controls information itself. And quantum technology may become the key. But quantum computing is only one part of the story. There is also quantum encryption and quantum sensing. Quantum encryption may create extremely secure communication. Any interception attempt could instantly be detected. This could reshape cybersecurity forever. But quantum sensing may be even more important militarily. Quantum sensors can detect extremely small environmental changes, gravity, magnetic fields, and movement. That may sound technical, but the implications are enormous. Submarine detection and GPS-independent navigation, underground facility detection, and future stealth tracking. In other words, quantum technology may rewrite warfare. This is why the United States and China are racing aggressively. Because this is not merely an economic competition. It is a struggle for the architecture of the future. AI is already transforming how the world operates. But quantum systems could amplify that transformation. If AI becomes the brain, quantum systems may become the engine. AI learns from data, but quantum systems process complexity differently. Together, they could reshape civilization itself. Smarter weapons, smarter economies, and smarter surveillance. Smarter systems of control may also emerge. And this raises an uncomfortable question. What happens when technology evolves faster than politics can adapt? Can governments truly control such transformative power? Can global stability survive another technological revolution? History suggests that major transitions are rarely peaceful. Industrial revolutions created empires, but they also created wars. The 20th century was shaped by oil and nuclear weapons. The 21st century may be shaped by algorithms and quantum systems. Perhaps that is why the world feels unstable today. Supply chains are splitting and technology systems are separating. Countries are rebuilding industries inside their own borders. Semiconductors became geopolitical and AI became geopolitical. Now, quantum technology is becoming geopolitical as well. The future of power may no longer be visible. It may exist inside code, particles, and invisible systems. People still imagine power through tanks and missiles. But modern hegemony is becoming less visible every year. Who controls data? Who controls AI? Who controls semiconductors? Who controls quantum technology? Those questions may define the next world order. Of course, quantum systems still face limitations. Commercial breakthroughs may still take years. Some promises may fail, and some expectations may collapse. But history shows something important. The nations that prepare early usually shape the future. That is why the quantum race already matters today. Not because the revolution is fully complete, but because the race has already begun. And once technological races begin, the world rarely remains the same. Perhaps quantum technology will fail to change everything. Or perhaps it will become the foundation of a new civilization. No one truly knows. But one thing is becoming clear. The next global superpower may not rise from oil fields or factories, or even armies. It may rise from invisible particles. And if that happens, the balance of the world may change again. Because every age is shaped by technologies that redefine power. And quantum technology may become the next one.